Okay, so I really like this sketch, but something in me is telling me to use charcoal on this drawing right now. I don't know, I don't care if I'm gonna like ruin it. I don't care if whatever. Let's just do it. Okay, today we're gonna be drawing a portrait with hard charcoal pencils. I have a 0.7 millimeter automatic pencil, a normal eraser, and a charcoal pencil, just one charcoal pencil. So first off, I first start by laying down my sketch. This is essential because if you're not proud of the sketch, how are you going to be proud of the outcome, bro? So make sure you sketch something that is really unique to yourself and authentic to you. So now that I have my sketch, I will get my hard charcoal and I will just go all in. Just make sure I just get every detail, especially if I'm using an image that is high contrasted, that is high in contrast, meaning those shadows really pop out. I love using images like that. Like the blacks are just dark and the whites are even whiter. So I love using images like that. So as I use my charcoal to lay those foundations and just go in the dark parts, in the neutrals and everything. Okay, so now that I've done it, it looks messy, yes? Yeah, so it's kind of looking bad right now, but okay, we're gonna continue. This is not the end, okay? This is like 20% complete. Let's finish it and then we're gonna judge. So now I get some graphite powder and I actually use a brush and I go all in and I just brush everything. I also use my hands sometimes, like you've seen in the video, just go raw and authentic. So the trick here is to make that sketch stand out when you make the sketch, so that when you rub all this charcoal on top, it doesn't fully automatically erase the sketch underneath. You know, the trick is when you are blending like this, make sure you just blend where the charcoal is. Don't blend where the charcoal is not, because you're gonna end up destroying the sketch underneath. After that, it looks a little bit like this. Now this is where we get to grab our eraser and go in and make sure those highlights and those midtones pop out a little bit. Just go back and forth, make sure those highlights and those little details are just popping out. And then on top of this, I go and get my 0.7 millimeter automatic pencil. Obviously you can use any other pencil that has a thin lead. At least my lead is very thin, so just make sure you use a thin lead. Anything with a thin lead, as long as it's a pencil, of course. And then I go in and I just refine those details. Just make sure everything is in shape and everything is looking crisp and everything is looking good. Those little lines, those little, like I even go all the way and add a little bit of like hatching, a little bit of crisp hatching here and there to build texture in the sketch. I hope somebody learned something from this, bro, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.